Today we're going to talk about how to use your Big O homepage and your Explore page. Let's go there now. So when you open the app, this is what it's going to look like. Right here is what it's going to look like when you open your app. You're going to have a bunch of different things on your screen. If you look in the bottom left hand corner, you see how it's like blue color over the home writing and a blue dot on the home. That means that's where we are. And then if you look at the top, there are several different things going on. And if you look, it's blue, so is popular, is in blue. That's where we are right now. And all is also in blue, so that's where we are. So you can change your popular page. You can search the gala, and that will show you who was in the gala. You can search Pride, that'll show you who's involved with Pride, etc., for all those tags there. So if you search nearby, you have to have your location settings on. That is totally up to you if you want to risk that. I don't really recommend it. So if you look underneath nearby, it says live. So these are all the people that are live right now. But if you click on meet, those are all the people that are not live. So like for me, these are people that I've talked to. And then if you go at the upper top again, next to popular is chat. If you click on that, these are just different people that you can talk to. These are more people that Big O is recommending. If you look underneath chat, you notice it says all. So this is just anybody Big O is recommending. And then if you look next to that, you can click follow. And these are the people that you can chat with that you follow. And then if you look next to that, next to where it says chat, and click on game, this is all the gaming. So if you're a gamer, this is your place right here. This is your place. This is your chance to find other gaming hosts, to connect with gamers. If you like gaming, if gaming is your thing, this is the place that you want to be. So then next we see that there's a notification. I'll get back to the search thing. There's a notification on the far right hand side. And then these are just basically anything anybody has sent out through the day, whether they went live, usually when they went live. I believe that's what all these are. So it will tell you, like, these are people that you follow, that went live. So like this first one 3 minutes ago, so she's probably live right now. But if you like scroll down, you can see some people were live like 8 hours ago. They're probably not live anymore, but they were 8 hours ago, and you got that notification 8 hours ago. So if you're looking for who you're following and want to know if they're live or not, those notifications will tell you. I don't use those very often. I use a different part more often. I use the bar more often, but we'll go over the bar in another video. And then if you click the search bar, you can enter in the search bar, you can enter something like singer or singing is what I enter a lot, because I'm a singer, obviously. So I'm going to connect with other singers. And when I do that, so you can search if you don't really have a topic you're doing yet, then you can search through this page that pops up and see who's on here. And that'll just give you kind of an idea and some other suggestions. And then same thing, there's a community. You can kind of get an idea of some of the communities. But if you search for whatever your topic is that you're into, like for me, it's singer. So if I search for singer, if I go to all, then I'll see like anybody that has singer in their ID or their name. Then underneath I'll see singer communities, and underneath that I'll see anybody who has singer in their profile. But if you're looking for like specifically, you want to connect with hosts that are singers, they're right underneath the search bar. You can see an all tab. Next to that is hosts. So all these hosts have singer in their name. Some of them may not be singers, because singer is also a last name, but you can search that way. What I do mostly with it is search lives. So the next tab you see is live. So these are all the people that have singer in either their topics, their tags when they went live, or their name. And so they're coming up right here and they're live right now, so you can go talk to them right now. So all these people, I could click on any of these and I will go straight to their live. I've also used this one too, the community. The community is just a good way to connect with other people. You can look through the community. This is the community is where a bunch of posts are. So you can look through community posts and you can post in the community. If you join the community, you can post in the community and you can look through their posts. So the last one, the bar, this is basically anybody who has typed the word singer into a post that they posted, or their name is singer in some way, shape, or form. And so these are all the posts though. And you can see all these people so far have typed in the word singer. This person, right where this video is, and you can tell it's a video because there's a little triangle on the upper right hand corner. But like they probably are called singer in some way. But like these are all posts you can find, and there's me. Where are my fellow singers and musicians? These are all posts you can find that contain the word singer. They Big O basically calls their like posting section the bar. That's like where you check for all that stuff. That's what that is. So I hope here now you can see me. I hope that was helpful. If you have questions on the homepage or the explore page, or even any other questions, please let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, I love you, dream big, and take action.